Hello there, and what's up there? Today I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new game for my PS4, which is Deadpool. I can't wait to play with it. So now I'm gonna use this nail clipper to unbox it. Slice this. Okay, good. So here's the Deadpool game right there. And no manual on it, just a disc, which is good. And I love Deadpool so much, I already watched the first one, the second one already. Deadpool's my favorite Marvel character. And now here's my Horizon game. I'm gonna unbox this next. Now, I'm gonna slice this. There's the game right there, and don't know what this is. But, okay. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. So now, peace!